Hey guys, what's up? So I just want to give you a little update. I feel like I've been a little bit MIA lately, maybe not, but basically I think that surgery just became a reality within the last week. I had to get my labs done and I actually had to do like registration for it and all that fun stuff. So I think having it scheduled so far out kind of let me forget about it or think or pretend that it wasn't actually happening. And now that it's on Thursday, a couple days away, I'm like, wow, this is really happening again. And I'm trying not to think about freaking out with the catheter and how uncomfortable that is and all those sorts of things. Like, it's only a week. Hopefully it'll be 3 weeks if they need to take a mouth graft. If I wake up with that, I'll be a little perturbed because I'm really just not expecting that because I'm just gonna pretend that's not an option. Maybe I'll still wake up without a catheter. I don't know, but yeah, it's reality. So sometimes I can't really sort out my emotions very well. This is something that I've dealt with ever since starting testosterone. So I'll feel a little bit off, which I have been feeling like the past week or so. I'm a little less productive. I feel a little bit paralyzed by whatever emotion that I can't figure out what it is. Like, I can't figure out the source, and up until like today, I finally figured out the source and I realized like, oh yeah, that's right, so it's surgery. And then from then on I can get a little bit more productive or a little bit more to myself. But I'm gonna be honest, like, I'm bummed. I'm a little bummed about this surgery, and I know that I'll bounce back and I'll be back to where I was, but I worry this is gonna happen again, or you know, all those sorts of anxiety-inducing things that I'm trying hard not to actually think about. But yeah, so moving on from that, when I get into this mood of not really knowing my emotions, I get paralyzed and I'm not productive. I do like the bare minimum of responsibilities, of course, like taking care of my clients and that sort of thing, but when it comes to the extras, like working on my cookbook and stuff like that, I only did like 2 recipes in the past 2 weeks, which is horrible. So the recipe book that I was trying to get released by tomorrow is definitely not happening, and that's definitely all my fault. I think I underestimated how much work it was gonna be and how my emotional status was gonna be with surgery coming up. So that is not gonna be coming out tomorrow. That's gonna be coming out later, maybe the end of next month, something along those lines. I'm now working with someone who generously donated their time, thanks Allison, to help me design the cookbook better, to help like the graphics and stuff like that. So I'm super stoked about that, and I want to take advantage of this person, but I want to take advantage of this opportunity and actually do my best in this book to make sure that it is good for you guys, and when I put it out there, I'm proud of it. So thanks Allison for donating your time. I'm so grateful for that. I don't even have words. So cookbook, that is going to be coming out soon. Until then, all I have to give you is these t-shirts. So I have tank tops now, which is awesome because it is warming up for summer, and you know, I've got the shirts still too, right here. Yay. Giving you a discount code because why not? Anyways, so the discount code is the word surgery. That is it. And just type that in the box when you're checking out, and it should give you a nice little discount. One of the reasons I really want to get rid of the t-shirts that I have, because I want to put out a new design. So that is also in the process, but I don't want to spend any more money on getting t-shirts and all that stuff until all of this merchandise is gone. So yeah, thank you to everyone who's bought a t-shirt so far. I super appreciate your support, and thanks to everyone who's watching and all those awesome things. And I seriously cannot wait to get my cookbook out. So I'm gonna go. And thank you for watching this rambly video. As always, thank you so much for everyone who's always so kind in the comments and who watches this, who takes the time to watch this. And couldn't get through all of these weird kind of like bummer times of life without it. So anyways, wish me luck in surgery, and I will see you on the flip side. All right, that's it. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.